We're going to look at identifying functions from relations. It's important to remember that a function has only one member of the range for every member of the domain. Looking at this example, we have star matched with 1, so that one's fine. But if you look at moon, moon is matched with both 8 and -1, which means that this member of the domain has 2 things in the range, which means this is not a function. Here, we only have one member of the domain, and we have 5 members in the range. So this 2 is matched with a -1 and an 8 and a -6, etc. So this is not a function. Here, C matches with 0, U matches with 2, K matches with -5, and W matches with -5. Since each of these members in the domain has only one guy in the range, this is a function. Here, U matches with R, S with K, but then K is matching with U and with S. Since this member in the domain is matching with 2 things in the range, this is not a function. Let's look at it as a chart. Here, in the first one here on the left, T matches with chair, D matches with chair, F matches with chair. But each of these members of the domain is only matching with one guy in the range, so this is a function. Looking at our second one here on the right, 0 matches with 1 and 0 matches with 2. Since this same member in the domain is matching with 2 separate things in the range, this one is not a function. Let's look at it as ordered pairs. This first one, we have a C matching with G, T matching with Y, G matching with G, Y matching with G. Notice that none of these, C, T, G, or Y, repeat. So since each member of the domain, which are the X values, has only one member of the range, which are the Y values, this one is a function. Let's look at this last one. We have 5 matching with C, -4 matching with C, -7 matching with C, and -7 matching with V. So here, these are both -7s, so that's the same thing in the range, matching with the same thing in the domain, matching with 2 different things in the range, so this one is not a function.